Hey everybody, it's Max with ShopDawg Woodworking. Hadn't seen you guys in 4 or 5 weeks. I've been a little under the weather. Okay, I've had some health issues. Hopefully I got all that behind me and get out here and start working in the shop again. Still in the middle of a shop rebuild. Seems like it's gone on forever. Going to try to rush through that as fast as I can so I can get the shop organized and on track to start making some projects. Need to get out here and start making some projects. There is one other thing I'd like to discuss a little bit today, and I know it's taboo to talk about religion and politics and that sort of thing. But this global warming thing is about to get on my last nerve. I never have been a real believer in global warming. I think it's a bunch of hoo, okay? But over the last 2 to 3 weeks, there has been documented evidence that the polar ice caps are in a rapid meltdown. Now, they have attributed this to a huge mass of hot air that is being generated by an unknown source. My personal opinion is it's a direct correlation to the summer's woodworking 2x4 contest. I'm just saying, guys, okay? So, because of that, I am going to enter this contest. I am going to win this contest. That way, we will put a calming and cooling effect on the atmosphere. Thus, yes, that's right, I will save the planet. That kind of makes me like a superhero, won't it? That's cool. Superheroes get to wear capes and stuff, don't they? You know, cape. Like Batman and Superman and kind of. I wonder if I can make a cape out of wood. Let's make some sawdust. And one more thing. For goodness sakes, wear your dust mask. I can't hardly talk and it's been almost 2 months. Please wear your dust mask. And I'm a respiratory therapist. What are you gonna do? See you guys.